Today, we are pulling back the curtain on a seriously powerful financing tool. It's something that lets you scale your real estate portfolio based on a property's income potential, not what's on your personal paycheck. Let's get right into it.
For so many real estate investors, the answer here is a big, frustrating yes. You find a fantastic deal, you're ready to grow, but then you hit a wall with the traditional banks. They look at your personal debt to income, your W-2, and all of a sudden, financing your 10th property is way harder than your first, even if that new property is an absolute cash flowing machine. For years, the only real alternative was going the private or hard money route. And look, it got the job done, but it was usually expensive. We're talking rates over 10%, really short terms, and that dreaded balloon payment always looming, forcing you to refinance constantly. But things have changed. Now, there's a much more stable, long-term solution, and that is the DSCR loan. So here's our game plan for this explainer. We're going to start with that classic investor's dilemma. Then we'll introduce the DSCR loan as the solution. After that, we'll get into the nuts and bolts of how they actually work, look at a couple of real-world examples, and wrap up with some really important red flags every investor should know.
Okay, so what exactly is this solution that can unlock all that investment potential? Well, like I said, it's called the DSCR loan.
And this, right here, is the aha moment. This is the game changer. A DSCR loan qualifies based on one:
CPA saved you money on taxes.
does the property itself generate enough rent to cover its own mortgage payment? Your job, your personal income, your employment situation, none of that is part of the equation. It's all about the property.
I love this quote because it just demystifies the whole thing, right? DSCR loans aren't some strange new invention from another planet. They're just taking proven, time-tested tools from the commercial real estate world and simplifying them for everyday residential investors. It's a brilliant bridge.
Okay, so let's pop the hood and look at the engine.